Hi, my name is Tanya from the Client Success Team, and we're going to see how to investigate an unusual country. So the first question to be asked is, what is an unusual country? It is actually accesses coming from countries not listed on the user's usual country. So to make that simple, let's see an example of Tanya, who works and lives in New York City, and she always accesses her SharePoint, Teams, OneDrive, and Exchange from New York. And then comes a day in Paris, and access is being observed on her OneDrive that is from France. So what happened is that this is going to be computed in the cloud, and as soon as we receive the logs from Microsoft, we're going to alert Tanya of this unusual access on her personal storage. If she validates the fact that she's behind the operation, then obviously there is no problem. However, if she reports a suspicious act, the SOC team have to investigate further on the expert platform, and this is what we're going to cater next in this video. So let's see. So in order to investigate an unusual country, you need to go on your expert platform and look for the corresponding alert. So we know that it was on Patrick's Jordan mailbox. It was an unusual country, so it is an unusual activity. It is an open alert. So here again, you can add as much as information as you have. That is, if you know the minimum creation date or the maximum creation date, just go ahead and put it in order to maximize the relevancy of your search. So now that I have my alert, I can click on it. So this page will display the general information about the alert. That is, here we can read that there has been an unusual activity on Patrick's Jordan mailbox. That is, it has been accessed from Monaco, and this is considered as unusual because it is not registered within our system. That is, more specifically, Monaco is not registered in Patrick's Jordan list of usual countries. You can also find important details such as the connected user, the local access date, the used access mode, as well as the source IP address. And what is interesting to know in this case is that what are the usual countries that were set at the time of the alert. So here we can read that at the time of the alert, the usual country set on I2A for Patrick Jordan's was France, United Kingdom, and United States, and there is no Monaco. So obviously, in order to make sure that it is a legitimate access, I2A is going to alert the user of this access, of this, again, potentially dangerous access. You can also investigate further by clicking on the General tab. You can copy the IP address, click on the collected data, open advanced search, and then you can paste the IP address here in order to find all the actions that was performed on the user's resources. So here, by clicking on the plus point, you can see all the actions, the date and time that it happened, very interestingly. And in other cases, what you can also do, you can browse through the different countries in here and find all the action that was performed in each of the users or country from which it has been accessed. So now what is important is no alert should remain open. So it is very important to close the alert, either acknowledging the fact that it is a legitimate alert or not. So to close the alert, very simply click on Close Alert. Either close the alert without creating a rule, that is, if you consider it was an illegitimate access, that is, you want to be alerted the next time a similar access is observed, or you choose to generate an acceptance rule, that is, to automatically add Monaco in Patrick's Jordan list of usual countries. So click on Next, and then you can generate a comments if you want, and then click on OK. And the alert will be closed. So here you go, we have just investigated an unusual country. Should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at support@idexy.com and hit the like, subscribe, and bell button in order to find similar content in the future. Thank you.